Hey everyone, in today's story, we are talking about a cute moment between Yagmur Yuksel and Baris Baktas. You will love how cozy they are together. During a chilly evening on the mountain retreat, Yagmur and Baris decided to sit outside to enjoy the sunset. As the temperature dropped, Baris quickly grabbed a warm, fluffy blanket. Instead of using two separate blankets, they decided to share one. Sitting close under the same blanket, the couple looked adorable. Yagmur teased Baris for stealing most of the blanket and laughed, saying, I am just keeping you warm. The playful banter was full of love and made the bond even more special. Fans loved this sweet moment when they posted a picture on social media. The caption read, Cold weather, warm hearts. Everyone agreed they are the perfect pair. Yagmur and Baris proved that it's the little thing that matter most. Sharing a blanket might seem simple, but it shows how close they are. Keep watching for more heartwarming updates from this sweet couple.